Hello friends. Hello friends. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the sutra, which is eknivnena purvena, means one less than. So let's see, this is applicable for the number which is multiplying with 9, 99, 999, or so on. So let's see how it is working. So first of all, this is for the kids who don't understand how to multiply 8. Suppose 9, single digit 9 is there, and suppose this is 9. So 9 into 9, you see here, the method is very simple. Just lessen it by 1, minus 1, so it will be 8. And now 9 minus 8 is 1, so this is 81 is my answer. Same thing you can do. Suppose here, if it is 8 into 9, same thing you do. Just lessen it by 1, so it is 7. And 9 minus 7 is 2. This is so simple. Same thing, if it is 7 into 9, lessen it by 1. So 6, 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is so simple. Then same thing, 6 into 9 is there. Lessen it by 1. So it is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So you can see that how easily it can be multiplied. Let's see when we are multiplying any number with 99. Suppose 18 into 99 is there. We don't need to do anything. Just lessen it by 1. So it is 17. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 7 is 2. This is my answer. Let's see if it is given 25 into 99. So 25 minus 1 is 24. Now my 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. That's simple, so simple. And we can see that we can find the answer very, very easily. Let's see here, if 3-digit number is there. Suppose here it is 1, 2, 5. And this side also it is 3-digit number. Let's see, same process we'll be doing. Minus 1. So it is 124. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 4 is 5. That's it. This is my answer. You can cross check. And here, if it is 894 into 999, let's see how easy it is. Minus 1, so it will be 893. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. That's it. This is my answer. So we can see that using this eknivnena purvena, we can do the calculation very, very easily. Let's see some numbers of 4-digit. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4 times 9 is there. How easily we can find the answer. Minus 1, so it is 1, 2, 3, 3. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And this is my answer. Let's see. Here it is 875 into 4 times 9. So this side it is 4-digit. This side it is only 3-digit. We can make it 4-digit by adding 0. So this is also 4. This is also 4. Now use the same method. 0, 8, 7, 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. And here 9 minus 4 is 5. And this is my answer. So in this video, we see that we can find the answer very, very easily and effortlessly. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you. Thank you very much.